G'day viewers, welcome back to the QXR Professor Files. I'm your professor and I'm going to teach you how to present your ampules and medications so the doctor can draw it up easy. So, hello doctor.
Hello.
So we're going to draw up some drugs today.
Yep.
So get your syringes ready and you can draw up some drugs. So when we're drawing up these drugs, so never be scared about turning any of these things upside down, okay? See, like that. Nothing comes out, so don't worry about any of the solution falling out. Unless you squeeze it, it will not come out. So when we're presenting our ampules over to the radiologist, it's always good to have the label facing the radiologist, okay? Don't have it behind here where they can't see it. Have it there so they can see what they're also drawing up.
Can I have the logo?
Yeah. And as you can see, nothing's falling out upside down unless I press in it like that. With an ampule, if you've seen one of my ampule opening tutorials, you know to shake it, because see that? It comes out of the pack with some still up in there. Shake it down, few taps, and then snap. And this one you can hold straight down. That's Celeste. It also show the doctor the label.
Yep.
With normal saline, we'll do the same. See the big tube like that? It won't come out unless you squeeze on it, so we can draw it up the same. That's our video for presenting ampules to the doctor. Thanks for watching. Bye!